Hello there. The rain has set itself up across western areas today, and it really is going to persist throughout tonight and into Monday as well. It's all due to this stalling warm front that has essentially got trapped in the flow, is very slow moving, and will be providing persistent rainfall over the course of the next 24 hours. So the rain intensifying, turning heavier overnight, and a rain warning has been issued, runs all the way until 9 o'clock on Monday evening. Could see a touch of snow for the likes of Sutherland, Caithness on the leading edge of this, a lower chance of some wintry flakes for Murray, Aberdeenshire as well. This band of rain also acts as the boundary between colder air and milder air, with southwesterly winds coming in for southern and western districts. It is going to be a mild night underneath the cloud here, temperatures not dropping much below 7 to 9 degrees Celsius. But if you're to the north of that rain band, it is going to be much cooler with a touch of frost around in places as well. Certainly a very different feel to things as we kick off Monday morning. Probably is Shetland that will see the best of conditions first thing on Monday. Some clear intervals before some showers eventually arrive later on. This rain band though is going to be very persistent, particularly for the Highlands, Argyll and Bute. We could see 170 millimetres of rain totting up by the end of Monday. Some localised disruption is possible, so it's worth taking care certainly. Eastern areas will have a little bit of shelter from the mountains, but generally Dumfries and Galloway down towards the Scottish borders are likely to stay the driest if it's still fairly cloudy. A few spots of drizzle possible. Very blustery winds though for the vast majority of us, particularly to the south of that rain band. To the north though, it's just some lighter winds in there, but this is also where it is going to be feeling that bit colder. Temperatures around 3-5 degrees Celsius for the Northern Isles, but underneath the cloud with that mild southwesterly flow of air into the south, we'll be back into double-digit figures once again across more central and southern districts. Eventually, into Monday evening and overnight, the rain band will slowly sink its way southwards and the rain will eventually ease off for western areas of the country. It does mean as we kick off Tuesday, though, that the rain will be more across the far south, so quite a wet, dull start to the day here. Again, some snow possible across the southern uplands. But behind that, we open up the doors to something a touch brighter, some sunshine eventually developing for many areas. Some snow showers, though, feeding in the northerly winds that will be arriving. Those could be quite brisk, some severe gales around for a time, maybe for Orkney and Shetland. But in that sunshine as well, temperatures are going to be taking a notch down for many of us, particularly for southern central areas compared to where we have been recently and into Monday as well. So now more widely down into single figure marks. So this is actually closer to what we'd normally expect for the start of February. We'll have plenty of updates, of course, as we head throughout the rest of the week on what we can expect. So do stay up to date with all of that by subscribing to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you again here tomorrow. Bye-bye.